guys, and welcome back to my channel today. So today I will be doing a New Zealand Lashes mini haul of what I got. I bought a product from there for the first time, a lash cleanser for my eyelash extensions. I used to get the lash lift, but I thought now that it's always summertime, I thought I'd get the lash extensions again. And to ensure that I keep my lash extensions looking good so they don't get dirty and infect or anything, I had to get like a lash cleanser. I heard they're really good for your lashes, you know, just to clean them and all that. You can probably make your own at home, but I thought I'd get like an actual proper one because I have used something similar to this before. I will let you guys know what I think about this, maybe do like a little tutorial on how to use it. They gave me a couple samples, so when I opened the bag it went everywhere. So basically I will show you guys what I got as a couple samples because I didn't actually expect it. So yeah, also this was $15. I'm not sure how long it will last me, but it's 60 mils. I'm a little bit sick at the moment, so bear with me because my nose is blocked and my throat is so sore. One of my samples was like a lash wand, so these are just to like brush your lashes, as you guys can see. I always get one of these during my appointments and I love like to have one in my purse or just with me at all times. They like really help make sure your lashes don't get like stuck together and all that. And then they gave me one of these. So this is an eyelash extension slash micro brushes slash swab. I don't know what this is, but basically it's like intended use for micro brushes. This is applying primer before attaching lashes and applying remover when detaching lashes. Interesting. Obviously a lot of these is catered for people that apply lashes or like to remove them. A glue ring, like split circle, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's an open-ended design, so they'll fit most finger sizes, and the rings are a great way to keep your glue handy to help speed up application time. So you can put this on your finger, put the glue in there, so that's cool. And so I've also got this. It's like a lash map stickers. It's a guide for individual lashes application. I don't know, I've never seen this before. Don't know if I'll use that one. We'll see how we go. So I got some protective glue cover stickers. And this is basically used with a crystal plate or jade stone in order to prevent direct contact with eyelash extension glue. What is this? I don't know what this is. What is it? This is under eye pad silk. I got some gel under eye pad used to cover on your lower eyelids. So this is what the place that I go to use. They just use like pads and they use like tape obviously to make sure that they can apply the lashes. So yeah, so that's basically what I got. So that was cool to get those few samples. Definitely use this for sure. It's like a pink one. I only got black. Never bought off this company before. They did overnight shipping. It was amazing. Thought it was real affordable for a lash cleanser. So I hope you guys liked my video today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week because basically that was it. Bye.